Today I will solve one question from CSI NET December 2018 part B of abstract algebra. Question is, let p greater than equal to 23 be a prime number such that the decimal expansion of 1 by p is periodic with period p minus 1. This means that after decimal the numbers repeat after p minus 1 numbers, because this is decimal representation, so all ai's from 1 to p minus 1 belongs to this set. So let z by pz, this quotient group star, denote the multiplicative group of integer modulo p, then which of the following is true? Before solving this question, we will see some results. First is, this quotient group is isomorphic to zp, so instead of this we will use zp star, and zp star is a multiplicative group. This implies zp star is isomorphic to up. This is only true when p is a prime number, and up is a cyclic group when p is prime number. So this implies zp star is cyclic group when p is a prime number. So, and also order of this set is p minus 1, and this is cyclic group. Now I will solve this question by discarding the option. So first option is, the order of 10 in zp star is proper divisor of p minus 1. We see that order of this group zp star is p minus 1, and they say that order of 10 is proper divisor of this. If this is true option, basically it says that if first option is true, that order of 10 is proper divisor of p minus 1 not equal to p minus 1, this implies 10 is not a generator of zp star, because if it is a generator, then its order is exactly p minus 1, but they are saying that this is proper divisor. If first is true, then fourth say the group zp star is cyclic, which is cyclic but not generated by 10. If first is true, they say that 10 is proper subgroup, this implies 10 is not a generator, and fourth say the same thing, that cyclic group is not generated by 10. So if first is true, 10 is fourth is automatically true. Now we go to the second option. Second say the order of 10 is p minus 1. If second is true, order of 10 is p minus 1. This implies 10 is a proper divisor of p minus 1. But in first option we discard first option, that but it says that if second is true, then order of 10 is proper divisor of p minus 1. So if second is true, first is true, but we discard first option, so this implies second option can't be true. Now we go to fourth option. The group zp star is cyclic but not generated by element 10. If fourth is true, that this group is not generated by 10, we know that every element order of every element divide the order of the group. So this implies order of 10 is proper divisor of p minus 1. Because why proper? Because it is not generator, so it is proper divisor of p minus 1. If fourth is true, first is true, this implies fourth is again incorrect option, because this is question from part B. We discard first, second and fourth. This implies third option is correct option.